Hey guys, Mike here with In the Oaks. Today, we're weed whacking, cutting down some trees, and trying not to get wet. Come check it out. I have a few trees in the front of the property coming up the driveway that need to come down, because if they don't, they're gonna fall on the lines and the people up here won't have power. But I'm waiting on my neighbor because he wants to give me a hand. In the meantime, we're gonna clean this place up, this section here, with the weed whacker. Let's get to it. It's like I'm out of string, but I want to put a different blade on this to help cut down some of this thicker stuff. For some of those thicker pieces like saplings and things like that, I got one of these Forester blades. It's basically a circular saw blade, but with a chainsaw teeth. I'm gonna put that on now to take care of some of the thicker stuff, because I just keep breaking the trimmer string. So we'll go ahead and put that on now. So to get this off, you just stick a screwdriver in here until it locks. Turn the head off. Put this on the correct way. Make sure it seats on there nice. Put on this little adapter. Again, make sure this is on there, else it'll have a death wobble. And then tighten it. There we go. Just gonna cut down some saplings. This thing looks heinous. I don't know if I caught it on camera, but I just cut down a tree with that thing. A little sweaty. I wouldn't recommend doing it this way, but I cut all of those branches off, and this thing here, that's 3 fingers. That's how thick that tree was. But I cut that down with that saw. Now we got to clean all this up. I'll save you the footage of that, because that's pretty boring. Next up, I think, is dropping the 2 trees right there. That tree, that dead one right there, right over our driveway. That's next. I'm gonna go ahead and film some of this before the neighbor comes, because when he gets here, it's gonna be all business. And I'm not sure how much I'm gonna have to be able to film, but this tree here and that tree there are 2 dead ones that we're gonna try to take down and drop up the driveway. The reason why we're going to drop them up the driveway is because the power lines are over here, and that feeds this entire road. You can see them through this little clearing here. If a windstorm comes and knocks this tree down, it's going to go right onto that power line, and everyone on this road will be mad at me. The neighbor's gonna come up. We're gonna hook up some cables to make sure it doesn't go onto the main road. And we're gonna try to drop them straight up the driveway so that I can deal with them later.
Okay, so I'm on my dad's phone. We're gonna cut down the tree that my dad made. So, I'm gonna cut down the tree. I don't know which one yet. I think it's those two. I think it's those two.
Trying to dodge the poison, huh? Good luck.
Right beside me is poison.
There we
Real poison.
go. You boys better go up there because I don't know how strong
Yeah.
that tree is.
Woo, that took down some trees. Oh, how much air? Okay. Buddy, how about we just Mama, here.
we go.
Woo. Can I have the machete here, Jonathan? The tree? Yeah. Maybe this good work.
Yeah.
Well, it's the next morning and it rained about an inch total in just a couple of hours yesterday. But we got all these logs here cut up and ready for bucking. The trees that we took down were from that stump and then another stump behind those bushes there. One of the things I didn't get done was weed whacking all of this area here because of the rain. But I was able to get this stuff knocked down just a little bit so it's not growing over the road. We have a nice pile of oak logs to buck up and then eventually split for the winter time. I'm not sure what kind of video I'm gonna make yet with the footage of this weekend, because I've been trying to not only work my full-time job from up here, but we had family stop by for the first time and come see the A-frame, which was fantastic. We love to have them here. And also the rain. I didn't shoot a lot of footage from the rainstorm because my camera equipment is my phone and it would have gotten ruined. So I tried to depict a little bit of how much rain we were getting and how fast it was coming down. But the next time we're up here, my plan is to get all of those logs cut up, possibly. Again, the weekends up here are just, we do whatever we can, and we do a little bit at a time, and eventually things get done. I want to thank you guys for checking out this video. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the Oaks.
Now it's back. Because they can't swallow. Chickens can't swallow.